And some breaking news coming in. A Pakistani national was apprehended on the intervening night of 3rd and 4th May. This is in Punjab's Gurdaspur. And the intruder is in the custody of the Punjab police. He's been identified as Husnain. So you can see that identity card that he was carrying, and he was in fact trying to intrude last night, has now been held by the Punjab police. So extra alert along the border states. Let's go across to Gurpreet for more. Gurpreet, what are the details? Tell us more about how this man was nabbed.
Well, what we have learned, our forces were on high alert, and suddenly they learned one Pakistani intruder identified as Hussain, son of Muhammad Ajmal, arrested by Punjab intelligence in Gurdaspur while attempting to cross Indian territory last night. So all these angles are being probed by, and was the reason to cross the border, and multiple agencies are investigating from all the angles to find out exact cause of his entry into this Indian territory, because we have already seen that the situation is very volatile, and all the forces were extra alert when they learned some Pakistani intruder. He was trying to even enter the jurisdiction of Indian territory. So at that time, immediately he was being caught, and now multiple investigating agencies are investigating him and interrogating him to find out what was the main cause why he was trying to enter into Indian territory. So we have to wait and watch what will be the final outcome of this investigation and interrogation, which is being carried out by multiple agencies to find out exact reason behind his entering into Indian territory. Back to studio.
Right, Gurpreet, and this comes at a time of tension with Pakistan after the Pahalgam attack, and therefore, security forces and the police there in Punjab on high alert.
Well, of course, the police as well as the forces, they are already on high alert. We have seen the Punjab police had also nabbed two of our spy who had given a vital information to the agencies across the border. So that has already been interrogated and investigated from all these angles, the way the tension is already going on between both the countries. This is the same thing which has been done by the forces when they were extra cautious, and suddenly they learned this Pakistani intruder. He was trying to enter into Indian territory. Immediately he was being caught, and as I have already explained, the multiple agencies are investigating and interrogating him to just find out each and every minute detail from him, that what was exact reason to enter into Indian territory. The way we have seen after Pahalgam terror attack, multiple precautions are being taken at the border in Punjab and the nearby areas also. So we have seen high alert has already been given by all the agencies, whether it's the Punjab Police, BSF, and other paramilitary forces. They are already on the high alert. So as of now, what we have learned, and even the investigating agency, they are not willing to reveal much information about this Pakistani intruder, because it might be possible he has indispensable information for the agencies to learn more about why and what was the motive behind to enter into Indian territory.